Hey, this is Alecia Godfrey with Keller Williams Excel Realty and founding member of the Godfrey Group. I wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you about the 3 mistakes that my husband and I made way back when we were first-time home buyers. They are still relevant to this day. Mistake number 1, we went shopping without knowing how much we could afford. I know it seems silly. Of course, we all want to go out and dream and tour these beautiful homes, and it's exciting. It's just like HGTV, but let me caution you from doing that. When you go out and you're dreaming and looking at homes and you don't understand if those homes are within your price point or not, what you're doing is setting yourself up for possible disappointment. So we were going and we were looking at homes in this really specific area that we wanted to be in, but they were homes that were tucked back into the quiet cul-de-sacs and they had tree-lined streets. So in addition to us liking older homes with character, we wanted to be tucked back in these exclusive parts of the neighborhood like anybody else would. Well, when we finally got serious about our search and we got our pre-approval letter, we quickly realized that those areas were reserved maybe not for the first-time home buyers, or at least not for us. We needed to have probably about $100,000 more on our pre-approval letter than what we were able to afford. So when we finally were able to start looking at homes that met our price point and met our budget goals, it was a real dose of reality. And that is what I've seen with a lot of first-time home buyers in our market. They start out their search online. They think they know what their monthly budget would look like. They start searching and they quickly realize, oh my gosh, I don't like what I can afford when they start going out and looking at it in person, because they've spent all this time going to open houses and looking online at things that are not really within their price point. They would be an extreme stretch. So my words of wisdom and a mistake that I've made and I want you to learn from is to get your pre-approval letter. If you're thinking about jumping from the rental market and becoming a homeowner, that is the best thing you can do. Find out what you can afford in today's market with today's interest rates and with your specific circumstances. I don't know what your debt to income ratio is. I don't know what your credit score is, but when you talk about those things with a lender, they're going to be able to tell you you can afford X, and then the best question to ask them after they say you can afford X is, well, I want my monthly payment to be this. So don't tell me I can afford X, tell me what I need to be shopping for in order to keep my monthly payment here. Because those are usually 2 different numbers. Usually they're gonna pre-approve you for a number up here. You wanna back that off and find out what should I be shopping for in order to meet those monthly budget goals. That's it. Learn from my mistakes, and if you'd like to follow me for more tips, please do. And if you're interested in partnering with a local real estate agent, I'd love to talk with you. Check out the next slide for my contact details.